Welcome to Mastering Inflation's Daily Walk and Save Challenge. So I'm Sonia. If you're already familiar with our daily walking savings challenges, then please skip ahead to the 1-minute mark of this video. However, if you are new here, please listen to the entire video, then begin the challenge. Okay, here we go. The challenge is easy and works like this. If you walk today, then save at least $3. If you skip your walk today, then save at least $5 instead. But you don't have to limit yourself. You can choose any amount that you can consistently save each day. Our primary goal is to walk every day. However, our secondary goal is to save whether we walk or not. So grab one accountability partner or 10 accountability partners because everyone can participate in this simple challenge. Teens, adults, even seniors. Okay, so to keep you motivated, each month we provide you with a different walking and savings theme. We then break it down even more and provide you with a new focus each week. Then finally, we encourage you to participate in our daily mini challenge to help you to walk and save each day. Embrace silence, embrace simplicity. Today, take a silent walk. No phone, no music, no podcasts. Just you, your steps, your breath, and the world around you. Walking in silence calms your nervous system and sharpens your awareness. Now onto your savings challenge, DIY takeout. Think of your favorite takeout meal. Can you recreate it at home today using your pantry and fridge? Maybe it's a rice bowl, a noodle dish, or tacos. Get creative. Cooking your own version doesn't just save money. It gives you leftovers for tomorrow. Let's say takeout usually costs you $15, $25. Today, you've saved that amount and gained confidence in your kitchen skills. Log your savings. Reflect on how empowering it feels to provide for yourself. Today's mantra, silence brings clarity. Simplicity brings savings. Walk in peace, cook with love, and save with purpose. So subscribe to receive a new walk and save mini challenge each day. Then click the link you were given by our community member or the link in the comments section to learn how to officially join our Mastering Inflation Walk, Save, and Earn community. You'll also learn how to purchase this month's challenge journal for motivation and to track your daily walks and savings. In our community, we walk together for our health, save to outsmart inflation, and earn additional income to grow our wealth. So as you're helping yourself, also help everyone you know, while at the same time helping us to grow our walk and save movement. Simply like and share this video with others today. Walk, save, earn, repeat. Thank you for watching.